Raw Zucchini Lasagna. Prepare the cashew sauce. In a blender, place 1 cup of soaked raw cashews. Add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Add 1 pinch of salt. Blend to a smooth texture. To prepare the parsley sauce, add half a cup of pine nuts to a blender. Add 2 large bunches of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of water. Blend to a smooth paste. To make the tomato sauce, add 1 large tomato to a blender. Add 1/4 red onion, 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of agave. Blend to a smooth paste. Finally, prepare the zucchini and tomato. Slice the tomato evenly into circles. Peel the zucchini into fine strips. The ingredients are ready to assemble. Add 2 tablespoons of cashew cheese to a plate. Top with some tomato sauce. Add some parsley sauce. Layer over some zucchini strips. Add 2 or 3 slices of tomato. Repeat the layer with the cheese sauce, the tomato sauce, and the parsley sauce. Finish with zucchini and tomato. Garnish with fresh parsley, salt and pepper.